Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. We take a look at the January contract of NGF, Natgas futures. And the situation to the last video hasn't really changed. I checked the other charts as well, especially NG1 that we looked at last time as well, hasn't changed at all. All I need to do is to adjust the resistance area slightly. And let's talk again about the structures here. So again, we've been watching for here potentially further downside, either still in the third wave, which could be nearly done though, or already the fifth wave. There are different perspectives I shared with you last time. I explained to you that it is technically possible to count all 5 waves complete already, but this here is my primary scenario. It just counts a little better, and that we say a 4th wave completed on the 14th of August roughly. Then we moved down in a wave 1, rallied in a wave 2, here another 1-2 pattern down, 3, 4, and a very long extended 5th wave of, however, a larger 3rd. And that means there is still a potential for another 4-5 pattern before the decline is complete. Resistance is all the way up to $3.47. As long as in any rally the price stays below that level, I cannot confirm a low in place. I think we are fairly close to a, let's say, bear market low. But again, prices are dropping. And I haven't got any evidence that a low is in place. So next, let's say targets to the downside. Let me double check how I measured these. Yeah, that's the 1, 2. Yeah, I mean, targets to the downside, next ones will be $2.50 and $2.36. Yeah, I haven't got any evidence that some kind of a low is in place. So as soon as we see a potential 4th wave recovery rally start, I will be able to confirm the resistance. At the moment, this is basically a moving resistance area because it really depends on how low we still go in the 3rd wave. Still seems to be dropping. Yeah, still seems to be dropping. What we can do is we can add a small trend line here. It is fairly well defined, this trend line. And once this trend line breaks to the upside, it might mark the start of the 4th wave, which might then take us into that resistance area with retracements between $3.16 and $3.47. However, as I said, this has to be adjusted with the price. So if the price goes a little lower, the retracement area will have to go lower as well. And only if we see an ideally impulsive break above resistance, only then I can really confirm that a lasting low has formed. So if we see 5 waves up, followed by a 3-wave pullback, then we have the next long trade setup. At the moment, it's just watching for a potential low to form, and we can continue to focus on lower as long as we stay below that descending trend line there. But overall, the overall pattern, that overall correction that's currently still unfolding, should be fairly close to the low. There's literally only one more low here to come, but ideally, obviously, we want to see another lower high, okay, and then one more lower low. That's my update about Natgas. There isn't much more to add because the price has literally not really moved since my last update. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500 as well as regular updates about stocks, check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. Link is in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.